Meaning of Epiphany.
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 Epiphany. Epiphany is a moment of sudden realization, understanding, or insight that brings about a new perspective. It is a profound and often life-changing realization that can occur through personal experience, reflection, or interaction with others. Epiphany can lead to a deeper understanding of oneself and the world around us, as well as inspire creative ideas and solutions. Overall, Epiphany is a powerful and transformative experience that has the potential to expand one's horizons and change the course of their life.